Let's talk about the perfect storm that is brewing. Most architects and designers, and frankly the rest of us, treat fire sprinklers as a design element to be embraced or hidden. But we never think about the expiration date on these critical pieces of life safety. Yep, that's right, expiration dates. Now the catch is, they have such a long life that most of us haven't given them any thought. Standard response heads with a thick bulb or a lead link last 50 years. Quick response heads with a thin bulb last 20 years. These dates were created due to failure rates. Not just failure of the sprinkler head itself, but also the debris settling in the pipe. And we are now entering the perfect storm. Buildings that were built in the 70s use standard response heads, while buildings built in the mid to late 80s were required to use quick response heads. And if you're doing your math right, standard response heads are due now, and the quick response heads continue to roll in. Over the coming years, we're going to see authorities having jurisdiction and insurance companies lean on these requirements, either to have them tested or replaced. This is another reason why it's critical to have an inventory of the assets in your facility.